Hi everybody, welcome to this introduction to presentation production. Today we're going to look at themes, layouts, and master slides. Okay, so let's just add some new slides to the presentation. Oh, there's a shortcut for that. Control M. Let's try it. Control M, Control M, Control M. That's great. And also, of course, we can delete slides if we need to. There's no shortcut, unfortunately. I can use my keyboard delete key. Let's try it. Okay. So you can see that when we make a new slide in Google Slides, there's a default layout with two placeholders. Okay. Title and a text placeholder. There we go, there's another one. So if we want some more variety with the layout of our presentation slides, we can select a slide, right click and apply a different layout. So let's go for this one here, a section title and description. Okay. So here's my slide, and I can also add some text into this placeholder. Now what I like to do with these placeholders is use them to guide me when I want to insert a different kind of media. For example, let's search the web for an image. We're going to go for cats. There's a nice picture of a cat. We'll insert that one, and then I'm going to use that text placeholder just to guide me. So that's very useful. There we go. And then if you wanted to delete the placeholder, you could delete the placeholder. It's really up to you. Now, my slide is very bland. It's just black and white. What if I want my presentation to have a different theme? Well, what I can do is just right-click anywhere here and change the theme. And the theme options will pop open. So let's choose the Streamline theme. So now every slide is a member of the Streamline theme. Let's go to slide 3. I'm going to apply a new layout. Let's go for title and 2 columns. Let's make a slide about dogs. Again, I'm going to insert some video from YouTube. Let's search for a video. Again, I'm going to use these placeholders just to guide me in the placing of the media. So there's one, and then we could add some text here. I'm not sure if this is true, by the way, but maybe the video is about playful dogs. Okay, now let's go back to my first slide. This has a different layout. We've got a title placeholder and we've got a subtitle placeholder. So let's go to the title placeholder and just give it a title. Pets, no home, should be without them. So there's my title slide. Now I want to put some slide numbers onto every slide. So let's insert slide numbers. So we're going to say on the title slide. No, we're not going to skip. We're going to apply. So now every slide has a slide number. Now what if I want my slide numbers to be a different color? I could go into each slide and change the color of the page number. That's going to take me a bit of time. Fortunately, I only have 4 slides, but in much bigger presentations, that will take a lot of time. So if you want to make the same change to all of your slides, you need to edit the master slide. So go into the slide menu and let's edit the theme. Now, this is the overall theme slide that we can edit. This is used by all slides. And these are the individual layout master slides for you to edit if you want to edit them. Do you remember we introduced this layout onto slide 2? So if I wanted to change this to, let's change it to orange text. And we want to make the subtitle italic. How do we make the subtitle italic? Italic. Now let's close the master, and you can see that the title is orange and the subtitle is italic. Now if I come down here, Control M to make a new slide and make a different layout, it will also have an orange title and an italic subtitle. Now that's because we edited the master slide for that layout. Don't want to change the theme, I want to edit the theme. Okay, so for this layout we've changed a few things. I'm going to do one more thing that I just discovered. Can I find out how to do it? No, let's go to Insert, a placeholder, an image placeholder. Let's check this out. I'm going to insert an image placeholder. It's going to be oval, and I'm going to put it into the top corner there. That's just an image placeholder. Now I've put it onto the master slide for this layout. So if I close that and go back to any layouts, there we go. There we go. Okay, so that's the beauty of master slides. You can add a consistent change to any slides that are using that master. So let's just change this a little bit. I'm going to bring this down and I'm going to search. Let's do home. And there we have it. Okay, and I also have an option to add an image on this one as well. Okay, so that's an introduction to master slides. So in today's video, we've looked at how to change the layout of a slide, how to change the theme of a presentation, and how to edit the theme so we can make changes to different layouts within the presentation.